In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to create account in Elevenlabs. If you are seeing this message while trying to sign up, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is caused by a few common restrictions related to your email, internet connection, or browser settings. The good news is that these are usually simple to check and fix. First, take a close look at the email address you are using to create the account. Elevenlabs places strict limits on signups in order to reduce abuse of its free monthly credits. Because of that, temporary or disposable email services are often blocked automatically. If you are using a throwaway email provider, the platform may reject the registration before the account is even created. To avoid this, use a recognized permanent email provider instead, such as Gmail or Outlook. A regular personal email address is much more likely to be accepted and helps the system verify that the sign-up is legitimate. Next, check your internet connection and see whether a VPN or proxy is turned on. Elevenlabs may block account creation if its security systems detect unusual traffic coming from an IP address. This often happens with VPNs, shared proxy servers, or other connections that appear suspicious or heavily reused. If you have a VPN enabled, turn it off completely before trying again. The same goes for any proxy service running in the background. After that, retry the sign-up using a normal residential internet connection. If that still doesn't work, switching to mobile data can sometimes help because it gives you a different IP address. Another common cause is your browser. Corrupted cookies, outdated cached files, or certain extensions can interfere with the registration page. In particular, aggressive ad blockers or privacy tools may prevent the CAPTCHA from loading correctly or interrupt the connection between your browser and the Elevenlabs website. A quick way to test this is to open the site in a private or incognito window and try signing up there. If the form works in that mode, the issue is likely coming from stored browser data or an extension. If needed, clear your browser's cookies and cache completely. Then go back to the Elevenlabs homepage and try the registration form again. This gives the site a clean session and often resolves hidden loading or verification problems. By checking your email type, disabling VPNs and proxies, and resetting your browser session, you can usually get past the unable to create account error and complete your sign-up successfully. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.